Hello and welcome back to another Talking Freight, brought to you by Ceresys, the transportation management company. Last week, we defined what are white glove services, and we'll go even farther today to talk about how white glove services and final mile deliveries truly go hand in hand. White glove services are the creme de la creme of final mile logistics, and white glove services and final mile logistics work together more than most other parts of your transportation network. Both services seek to meet the increasing demands of a growing customer base, especially customers of e-commerce platforms. Paired with the omnichannel demands of such platforms, the use of white glove services is starting to mean more than just extra care during physical delivery. It stretches into the use of technology to provide additional touchpoints and care in both the picking, shipping, and packaging processes, and as a result, final mile deliveries run more efficiently and effectively. So shippers need to understand what this pairing means for their operations. So let's talk white glove and final mile. First, white glove services and final mile deliveries are good as gold. Everyone loves a freebie. That saying is the cornerstone to understanding why white glove services and final mile deliveries are proverbial gold in your logistics strategy. Consumers see added services and accountability in white glove services, and today's logistics networks have the technology in place to provide white glove services within every transportation management process. Furthermore, more products in e-commerce require specialized equipment and more extensive shipping options. Therefore, systems and platforms used to manage final mile delivery must include add-ons and features for specialized delivery, aka white glove service. Now, let's address why white glove services are in high demand for final mile deliveries. Consumers want to know when a product is picked, packaged, labeled, and shipped. White glove service is also becoming standard in final mile services due to the global e-commerce market in furniture and appliances requiring white glove service with valued at approximately $199 billion or 17% of the existing e-commerce market. That's no small percentage. Meanwhile, consumers want to know where the product is right now, within the next hour, and when it will arrive. They want to know more than just a quick scan. They want to see the package being loaded onto the delivery van, and they want to know the name and birth date of the delivery driver. Apparently, those last 2 points, sarcasm, but they reflect how scrutinizing customers have come to be when viewing final mile delivery. It's also important for shippers to know that expectations vary within white glove service and final mile delivery. Think about this conundrum. Should final mile services be based on quality or price? This concept showcases how consumers are more apt to make repeat purchases when the existing purchase and expectations during final mile delivery are met, if not exceeded. Consumers' expectations are growing more stringent, and many consumers expect orders to be delivered within 24 hours of the original order. The premium cost of these high-speed deliveries do not negate the need for low cost or free shipping, but shippers can leverage this demand by offering added services like installation, which are part of white glove services and final mile logistics. Consumers also have varying expectations. Unfortunately, changing expectations are another problem. Shippers must deal with this. Consumers may send messages after the fact regarding delivery instructions, and automated alerts are simply not enough. As a result, tough one-size-fits-all approach to final mile delivery is no longer effective. Adding white glove services as a value-added service within final mile logistics management, shippers can provide more information and accountability to consumers. It's also key to know that final mile and white glove both require advanced back-end technology. Implementing white glove services and final mile logistics strategies require back-end technology. Final mile logistics means managing the incoming product, the picking, the packaging, the shipping, and service after the sale. For example, the use of internet-enabled devices and handheld scanners, if not automated identification and data capture, also known as AIDC technologies, can be used to automate the package tracking process from the point of order to delivery. While tracking these assets may seem trivial in parcel shipping, they are becoming more commonplace for all items ordered through e-commerce platforms. Asset tracking also inherently allows shippers to manage delivery schedules around consumers' demands, so shippers have the added burden of optimizing routes with varying schedules. This is only possible through technology that provides a 360-degree view into all shipments and assets. Next, items requiring white glove service are commonplace in e-commerce. Think about what people order online. Consumers order products ranging from household appliances to expensive electronics. Consumers using omnichannel shopping strategies ranging from online to in-store are likely buying something online because it is either cheaper, more cost-effective, or comes with free shipping. But consumers considering a purchase between shipper A and shipper B are more likely to go with the shipper who can get the product to them faster, even if the shipper charges a premium. Consumers are willing to pay extra for white glove services, so shippers can use this fact to improve final mile logistics strategies. Offering better service also lends itself to better performance, astounding customer reviews, and repeat purchases. It is a win-win for all parties involved. And to expand even more, white glove services put more control over the shipment. White glove services also put more control over the shipment in the hands of the shipper. In other words, shippers can better mitigate risks inherent within final mile logistics. For example, delivery in heavily populated urban areas may be difficult through traditional final mile processes, but white glove service can leverage newer technology to deliver products to the literal doorstep or workplace of consumers at their convenience, not just when the delivery van arrives. This means shippers can better align their existing operations with consumer expectations, improving visibility along the way. And to round things out, and we'll address this more in our next video, what about the future of robotics and white glove services? Robotics and drones are beginning to impact the final mile logistics space, and the consumer-centric design of robotics and drone delivery mean final mile delivery is poised to become one of the fastest growing delivery options. This is already the founding principle behind Amazon's Prime Air, and shippers should consider investing in and exploring the use of robotics and automation within final mile delivery and logistics operations to implement more white glove services and provide that added level of finesse consumers want. That's it for this week's Talking Freight. Thanks for joining us for another episode.